CNC automatic pipe cutting machine production line is a sophisticated system designed to cut and process pipes quickly and efficiently. It is an advanced technology used in various industries that require high volume, repetitive cutting of pipes. Machine consists of several components that work together to ensure a seamless and efficient cutting process. The components include pipe loading system, cutting system, measuring system, and a material handling system. Operator can setting the cutting material information in PLC. The loading system automatically load pipes onto the machine, which includes an automatic pipe feeder and cutting machine. Machine utilizes high-power electric or hydraulic motors to cut the pipes with high precision and minimal waste. The measuring system monitors the cutting process, ensuring precise and consistent cuts are made according to the programmed specifications. After pipes are cut, the material handling system takes over, transport the materials to the next stage of the production. Machine controlled by a central computerized system, which enables the operator to program and control the entire process. This feature allows for easy monitoring and adjustment of the cutting parameters, ensuring the highest level of precision and accuracy. More information, contact us.